Earlier, I have reported the new images that were leaked, the new images of the Cybertruck that were leaked in the media yesterday. Today, we have a closer look. Sawyer Merrit on Twitter has shared some images saying, "I've just received some more Cybertruck photos from Giga Texas. Can't wait for the official unveil." And it looks like there is a display in front of the Yoke, as you can see in the images. And after a few pictures leaked over the weekend, we now have a full kind of walk around of Tesla's latest Cybertruck. There is also a video that has surfaced online. I will have the link in the description of this video. So as we previously reported, some pictures of the latest Tesla Cybertrucks have leaked, but now that video, and you're seeing some images from that video, was released, and it gives us an even closer look at the truck. The video appears to have been filmed by contractors or new employees of Giga Texas based on the commentary on the video that was shared on Facebook. The prototype appears similar to the one spotted on the test truck at Fremont factory last month, which I reported. It features the same design changes in the front and the giant wiper, which CEO Elon Musk said won't be the one on the production version. So you're seeing like a closer look at the giant viper from the new video. The previous video of the Cybertruck prototype was from a drone flyover, and in this video, images of which you're seeing, you can see people standing around the car, giving the impression that it might be smaller than the original prototype, but that's hard to confirm just over the images. It still looks pretty big to me, friends, and the design of the Cybertruck can be deceiving in terms of size. The video also gives us a good look at the bed of the Cybertruck with the tonneau cover opened or missing. The Tesla Cybertruck is supposed to have an automatically retractable bed cover, and Elon Musk said that the automaker also planned to offer a solar power option on the cover. As noted in our post about the leaked pictures which I did yesterday, it shows that the Cybertruck prototype doesn't have door handles. That's something Elon Musk previously confirmed about the updated design of Tesla Cybertruck, but he did not say the doors would open. They are expected to open automatically when detecting the owner approaching, as the original Model X from front door did, but that is still unconfirmed. Tesla is expected to give an official update on the Cybertruck program this Wednesday. This is why probably Tesla brought the Cybertruck to Giga Texas, and we're expecting the big update on Cybertruck, on Tesla Semi, Giga Berlin, and Giga Texas start and ramp up of production, as well as the expansion in Giga Shanghai, and also the rumors about Tesla's $25,000 car. I hope someone will ask that question. So please subscribe to our channel. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Subscribe to this channel, so we're bringing breaking Tesla news every day on this channel, and ring the bell, follow us on Twitter, and please share in social media. I greatly appreciate it. Please give us thumbs up, like this video, guys. God bless you, peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Tesla Cybertruck yesterday was spotted being offloaded in Gigafactory, Texas by Tesla. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So recent footage taken of Gigafactory, Texas has revealed that Tesla has brought over its all-electric pickup truck to its new headquarters. The arrival of the Cybertruck at the Giga Texas site comes just new images of the vehicle's alpha prototype were shared online. Simon Alvarez and Joe Techmeyer have the details. Joe, during his flyover, said Cybertruck arrives at Giga Texas on January 23rd. It appears that this is part of Tesla's financial results presentation upcoming on January 26th. Should be an exciting meeting with lots of product and timeline updates. You can see the arrival at 10:40 in his video. I will have the link of the video in the description of this video, friends. So considering that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is expected to announce several product updates this coming fourth quarter and full year 2021 earnings call, the arrival of the Cybertruck at the Giga Texas site, Giga Texas factory, seems to be well timed. It would be quite interesting to see exactly just what Elon Musk's product update would be like. However, considering that Tesla's earnings calls are typically conducted as an audio conference, Interestingly enough, a couple of photos showing the clearest look yet at the Tesla Cybertruck's updated alpha prototype also emerged recently. The images showcase several of the changes that have been implemented to the Cybertruck's physical design, from its now removed door handles to its massive single wiper blades. The vehicle's front end also seemed to be shortened slightly, paving the way for an extremely massive windshield. Tesla's earnings call will be held on Wednesday, January 26, 2022, after market closes. So we're going to look forward to it, and we're going to bring you the latest on Tesla's earnings call. I'm sure there's going to be lots of questions about the timing and the production of Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, the Cybertruck, the expansion at Gigafactory Shanghai, and also lots of other things, and especially about the semi-truck's production update and the $25,000 Tesla new affordable vehicle, about which I reported the rumors yesterday that were very detailed, giving those rumors a lot of credibility. So what do you think, friends? What are your expectations? Maybe there is a question, I think, for the earnings call. Somebody should add this question: how far along is Tesla on redoing the wiring for Model 3 and Model Y, where they shorten all the wires and use a 40-volt battery for the electronics? So let me know your thoughts, friends. What do you think about the Cybertruck? I probably will have another report on the Cybertruck today because there are some more up-close images. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. Tesla aims for a new Model Y deliveries from Gigafactory Texas by the end of the quarter. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Sources familiar with the matter told Electrek that Tesla aims to deliver a few Model Y vehicles from Gigafactory Texas by the end of this first quarter. It would be an important milestone for the automaker and its new factory in Austin, says Electrek. The start of Giga Texas's production and subsequent ramp up at Gigafactory Texas are two of Tesla's most important milestones to achieve this year. I would also add Gigafactory Berlin. In recent weeks, we saw several indications that Tesla might be starting production at the factory, with many new Model Y vehicles already spotted at the plant. Sources familiar with the matter told Electrek now that Tesla is currently doing test production batches, and it now aims to have some Model Y vehicles ready for deliveries by the end of the quarter. If things go this way, I think March would be a time where we will see deliveries from Giga Berlin and from Giga Texas. So Electrek says by the end of March, the automaker should deliver a small number of Model Y SUVs built at Gigafactory Texas. I'm saying small number because, it takes time to ramp up the production until they get used to how to build cars. This is a few months behind schedule, but it should still set Tesla up for a good ramp up to volume production during the second half of 2022. A source familiar with the matter also told Electrek that Tesla is now ramping up the hiring of production associates at Gigafactory Austin, which is generally a sign that it is preparing for a production ramp. As we previously reported, friends, the start of Model Y production at Gigafactory Texas is not only critical to the company's growth, but it also marks the launch of a new version of the electric SUV featuring Tesla's new structural battery pack and 4680 battery cells, which are going to be more dense, more powerful, and are going to give Tesla more range, will probably give Tesla new specs. The idea is to produce large cylindrical cells and package them into a single module battery pack that also acts as a structural platform on which you install the vehicle's body. The CEO Elon Musk of Tesla has actually touted the technology as a manufacturing revolution in the auto industry. However, he also says that 4680 battery cell supply could be limited early in the Model Y production ramp, and it could manufacture some vehicles with the 2170 cells until supply issues are resolved. Tesla now builds its cars with 2170 battery cells. It is going to be interesting to keep eye on this situation in the coming months. At the moment, we are still not aware of a way for Tesla Model Y buyers to know if their vehicles are going to come from the Fremont factory or if it will be in the new version with the Gigafactory Texas. Well, in the meantime, you guys can look at the VIN number. If it starts with A, that means it's made in Austin, and if it starts with F, that means it's made in Fremont. Now, I don't know the decoder of the Giga Berlin, how it's going to be, maybe GB, Giga standing for Giga Berlin, or just B. And if you guys are from China and your Tesla is built in China, let me know how the VIN number starts. It's S standing for Shanghai or something else. Well, friends, this is Armen Harayan from Tesla, actually from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage next time, and have a wonderful day. Give us thumbs up, please, if you found this report helpful. Guys, see you soon in our next Tesla story.